So, hello, welcome dear student. We have a question over here. So the question is, we need to calculate the potential difference between the point A and B. So let's calculate that. This is the point A we have, and here we have a circuit in which 2 volt is here and connected to a 1 ohm resistor, and here we have a 4 volt battery connected to a 1 ohm resistor again, and further they are connected with a 3 volt battery attached to a 1 ohm resistor like this. This is point B. Now we have to solve this thing first. For that we use the formula E1R2 minus E2R1. Why minus E2R1? Because the polarity of the batteries are opposite. If this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. That's why we use the formula for E equivalent to be E1R2 minus E2R1 by R1 plus R2. So what is the value of E1? The value of E1 is, I'm taking E1 to be this and R1 to be this, and E2 this and R2 this, because uh, from this formula what I have assumed that if I am assuming that even R2, the product of these two, is bigger than this one, okay, and because this battery has more voltage, though more potential, that's why I am writing this as E1. It doesn't matter whether you have written as E1 E2, the polarity will come automatically here. Okay, so what is E1? That is 4 multiplied what is R2, 1, minus E2 is 2 into 1 by R1 plus R2, that is 2, so it is 1 volt. Okay, what is R equivalent of this circuit? That is simply R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, so this come out to be 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1 2, that is half ohm. Okay, so that means we got the equivalent of the battery, and that is this way, 4 volt. Actually not 4 volt. What is the equivalent? That is 1 volt. So this is 1 volt and connected to a half ohm resistor like this, half ohm resistor, which is further connected by a 3 volt battery and connected to a 1 ohm resistor. This is point B we have, this is point A we have, and let's calculate the potential difference between the points. Okay, so in the question current is not given to us, so VA minus 1, actually plus 1, okay, and then we have I am assuming that current I is flowing in the circuit like this. Please make sure the value of current is not given in the question. It has to be given in the question for calculating the potential difference. Okay, either you have forgotten to write the value of current, or else it is given, it should be given, otherwise I am writing this in the form of current, or you can just put it later. So VA plus 1 minus half into I, and minus 3 minus half, actually 1 into I is equal to VB. So from here I can write VA minus VB as minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, when it goes here it becomes 2, and this is actually minus half, minus 1 is minus 3 by 2, when it comes here, so it becomes 3 by 2 times I. So this is the answer we have. Please make sure the value of current, whatever it is, you just need to put that value here and you will get the answer. Hope this answered the question. Thank you very much. Hey guys, please make sure to subscribe the channel.